Hey, do you want to learn how to install Affinity Studio on your PC or laptop? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. First, you need to go over to Chrome and search for Affinity Studio. The first link, you can click on it. It's going to take you over to the affinity.studio website. Then you need to sign up to download. You can sign in with Canva in order to access the download page. After that, scroll down. If you've got Mac, you can press here on the left hand side to download for Mac. If you've got Windows, you need to press here, but make sure to go with the enterprise version, not the main this Windows version, because I've found that if I go with the first one, it gives you that .msix file, and when I've installed it, the app crashes on startup. So instead of going for that, I went with the enterprise version. This gives you a .exe installer and it does not crash at all. So I think this is the right move here. So press on it and it's going to install a .exe file to your computer. Now you need to press on that .exe file, choose a folder where you want to install Affinity on the top, then press on install, press yes to the admin pop-up, wait for the installation to be completed, and there you go. The setup is now completed. Let's press on close here, open up Affinity, and there you go. Affinity is working completely fine on my computer with the .exe installer. And that's it. That's how to install Affinity on your PC. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with the liking comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Affinity or other Canva related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.